Hey, what's up, Edwin? It's Devin from SEO Dallas, Texas. In this quick video, I'm going to show you 3 easy ways you can beat your competition online starting today. You're probably wondering why I'm making this video. It's really simple. I found out a little while ago there's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending all their time running their business, taking care of their customers, and they don't really have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more of those customers. And typically the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not an expert. So I found that by making these attack plans and giving them away for free, a lot of business owners still end up raising their hands saying, you know what, Devin, I like you, just take care of this for me. So at the end of this all, you see I've got some tricks up my sleeve and you want me to help you, give me a call and we can chat. And if you want to do this yourself, that's okay too. This is free education with no strings attached. What I'm going to tell you about today, Edwin, is going to be content, backlinks, and citations. Content is everything on the front page of your website that Google can crawl through to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. And keywords are just terms that people search into Google to find your business, so just like fencing in Killeen or something like that. Now, Google looks at authoritative websites nowadays as having 1,500 to 2,000 words on their front page, and that includes all the text you can read, all the text behind your images, and whatever your image is saved as. So if you look at your website, you've got a great looking website here. I like all the pictures and stuff like that. If you were going to follow Google's guidelines, though, they're going to want you to have a lot more content. You probably have about like 75 to 100 words on here. You're going to want to have about 1,500 to 2,000. Look at your main competitors like Fence USA Co. These guys probably have about 300 to 400 pages, 300 to 400 words on their front page. And then Big Tex Fence, they probably have about 100 to 150. So 1,500 words is going to blow them out of the water. Now, content is king, but it's not the end-all, fix-all. The missing piece of the puzzle is called backlinks. And backlinks are important because Google's like a popularity contest. And look at how many other websites on the internet are linking to your website, driving traffic to your website. And not all backlinks are created equal. You get a lot more power from other fence companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you. Obviously, not a pizza company. So I use a tool to check this out. It's called Ahrefs. It costs about $1,000 a month depending on the plan you use, but it gives you some really valuable data on what's going on in the back end of websites. So it says you have nobody going to your website whatsoever, 0 traffic a month, and you have 11 websites clicking at you. All right. It says you've been doing SEO since like the beginning of October, or since like middle of October. Your main competitors, Fence USA Co. They have 53 websites pointing at them. And Big Tex Fence has 20 websites pointing at them. So my recommendation to beat these guys and get ranked higher is to get at least 75 websites linking to you that have to do with fencing. And the best way to do that is just go take them from your competitors. So let's see. This one has fencing in it. That's a good website probably. Yeah, a lot of these don't even have anything to do with fencing. So you can actually just go to like a nearby city too and go see, Waco, yeah, let's do like Waco fencing, or Austin fencing even. Austin fence repair, something like that. And then you could just take their links, copy, paste. Whatever links, these guys probably have a lot. Yeah, 95. They probably have someone to do the fencing, right? No, maybe not. Either way, you can find it. Let's try another one. Fence, Austin TX, Viking Fence. They probably got some. There you go. I'm sure you're gonna find some fence ones here. Boom, Hercules Fence, automatic gates, steel fencing. Those will all be really good ones. And you could just take them from there because these guys are ranking in Austin. And it'll work for you too. The last thing I want to talk to you about is going to be citations. If someone types in fencing killing Texas and they're ready to buy, they're typically going to call the first person that pops up and seems trustworthy. And you want to be that person because those are the easiest people to close. Now, most people skip, though you don't even have any ads. So the best place to rank yourself is right here in the Google My Business or local map pack section. To get here, you need more citations than your competitors, and citations are anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web. And directories are websites like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor, just websites that allow you to list your business's information. My recommendation is to find out what directories your competitors are in. Go list yourself in those same directories and add a bunch more on top. I always recommend adding 30 to 40% more to give yourself a nice space cushion. So once you take that number one spot, it takes them a long time to catch up to you, and you only have to do a couple of hours of work per month just to keep getting all those closes. So that's all I've got for you. I hope you found this really informative. What I went over today was content. I would definitely recommend getting this website up to about 1,500, 2,000 words. Backlinks, you're going to want to make sure that you have another like 40 to 50, no, I'd say closer to 75 more websites linking to you, and just copy your competitors. And then citations, figure out what directories your competitors are in, list yourself in those same directories, and add a bunch more on top. Edwin, if you want to do this yourself, like I said, that's totally okay. This is free education with no strings attached. All I ask is that you send me back a couple words of feedback as a response to this email to help me make these videos better in the future. If you want me to do this for you, our website is SEODallasTX.com. Our phone number is 214-441-6737. And if you're on mobile, click this link and go right to our phones. Thank you so much for watching this, Edwin. Have a great day. Bye.